Hi guys, Pauline here from Subtl Beauty, and I'm super excited. We are back with a exciting new launch announcement from Subtl. We've been coming out with some really fun new products lately, and we have another one for you. I'm hoping my outfit can give a little bit of a preview, but in light of the first day of summer coming around the corner, Subtl has launched a brand new lip and cheek shade in Coral. Look how gorgeous this shade is for summer. I am so excited to show you how I'm going to use it today. This is such a great color that I think can work on so many different complexions, skin tones, age, everything under the sun. So I'm going to show you today how I'm going to apply it. So if you're interested in learning how to use this coral shade, keep on watching. Okay, so I have my base on and I'm really wanting to build out a summery, just came from the beach look today. So I'm gonna use the Coral Lip and Cheek along with my warm bronzer and the champagne highlighter. So all of these together are just basically gonna give me this glow that is perfect for summer in an approachable, fun way. To start out, I'm actually gonna go in with my bronzer first just to kind of get the base of the glow down. I'm using the shade Warm and I'm just using my own brush. I'm gonna start right at this little point of my hairline and pull that color down. I'm just kind of stamping it into the skin right now just to get something built, and then I'm gonna start to buff it up. And then I'll pull that into my hairline. You always wanna buff your bronzer upward to give a lifted effect. So I'm just doing the same thing on this side. Put a little bit on the sides of my nose. Might also just throw a little bit into the outer corner. You can use a more pointed brush, but honestly, sometimes I'm just gonna use a fluffy brush just to get some surface area there. I'm gonna pull a little bit down my neck. Already feeling more warmed up. And then I will just pop a little bit on my chest. Always want to make sure you're buffing out this little L shape back here. If you are applying bronzer on the jawline, you want to make sure it's buffing into the skin behind the ear and onto the neck. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the lip and cheek. If you've never used a Subtl lip and cheek before, pro tip is to just warm it up with your finger. You can see these are very creamy, so I like to just use the warmth of my finger. And because this is fairly pigmented, I would say, not as pigmented as maybe some of the other colors like plum or the riveting red, but I like to just disperse it onto two hands. And then I like to kind of just start right at the middle of my cheekbone and then just go in circular motions, like making the circle bigger and bigger. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, I love this shade so much. I think when you see a shade like this, you might be a little bit intimidated because it does look so bright, but I'm hoping you can see that this is gonna be flattering and very easy to apply. I love that this keeps your pigment, but it's not like a stain. It's more like a sheen that you can build up as needed. And you can even throw this on across the bridge of your nose. Again, we're trying to give a sun-kissed look. This is typically where people get a little sun-kissed. Work that down the nose, and then you can even buff this shade into your hairline where you had put that bronzer. Because this is on the more warm side, it's just gonna kind of blend in really nicely and give you that sun-kissed effect. So pretty. All right, and our last step, I'm going to add some of the champagne highlight. You can use any of the Subtl brushes. I'm just using a highlighter brush from my kit. We're just gonna sweep this right where the light is naturally creating that highlighted effect. And I like to just make sure I am buffing and pressing this in. And a little bit right here, a little bit right here. And then I'm gonna pull some onto my lids just to amplify that glow. And from here, I'm just gonna do my brows and lashes, and we should be all set. Okay, so we have our face basically done. I'm just gonna add a little bit more just to top off my lips. And give that final pop in your lips right there. Oh my gosh, I love this shade. I hope you guys found this video helpful for how you can apply this new coral lip and cheek. So definitely check this out. I think this is going to be a perfect addition to your kit for the summer months. All right, guys, we'll be back with more videos soon. Bye.